When you are adding touches to your home, it is so simple to take something ordinary and make it extraordinary. Check this out. Start with this simple setting here. I love this end table. When I first got this end table actually was black, and I changed it to white. But the knobs on it, I kept gray, and for a while it worked for me. But now I'm wanting something to make it pop. So this is what I did. I got these beautiful brooches from TotallyDazzled.com. They have a huge variety of beautiful inventory, so guys, make sure you check them out. I carefully removed the back off of each one of the brooches. I applied glue to the center and attached it to the knob. And guys, it was just that simple, but it took my knobs to a whole nother level, and they turned out absolutely beautiful. Simple elegance is what I was wanting, and that's what I got. And you too can take your ordinary pieces and turn them into extraordinary finishes just by doing simple touches. Thanks for being with me today, guys. It's Trish with Designs by Trish with a quick design tip for you today. You be blessed. Bye-bye.